Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The autopsy of the previous cult pastor, Kevin O. Smith, is currently in. And we're going to discuss the findings, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV.
Yes,
and if this is your first time tuning in,
Hey, Deep Roots, man, how you guys doing out there? We're having a good time, man. We're running full line
going to
LP.
have a great relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been about a month now as the once known as the cult pastor Kevin O. Smith permeated the internet with his cultish act, as it seems to be the drama is dwindling down because the autopsy is in. Major news reports are reporting that the findings of the preliminary autopsy conducted on the body of Pastor Kevin O. Smith of the Pathway International Restoration Kingdom, yes, in Montego Bay in Albion, is showing that the controversial clergyman died from blunt force. Smith, who died in a motor vehicle accident, ladies and gentlemen, is showing here that, he lost his life from a blunt force. It appears that they are believing that he died from the impact of the car crash. The post-mortem, which found that Smith died from multiple blunt force trauma and contusion of the brainstem, was conducted Monday morning at the Archer's Funeral Home in St. Catherine. Two family members of Smith attended the post-mortem, which was observed by the independent pathologist as also as the Indecom pathologist for JCF and the crime unit. Blunt force trauma is the conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, there were immediate visible trauma on the body, organs that are sometimes affected, including the spine, the liver, and small intestine. Smith died hours before he was to be charged with 2 counts of murder, illegal possession of firearm in connection with the sacrifice killing at his church in St. James. Hopefully, this is the last we hear from this cult pastor, because what he have done, ladies and gentlemen, have shamed many people, have put the church to shame, and have put shame on the island that I call sweet yard. John, no, I can't believe, said this devil from the pit of hell caused my island to lose such face. But me I telling a long time they were up there in Jamaica, a peer voodoo and up there and backbiting and friend killing. So only not go on like the pastor alone. I live a cultish life. The entire culture is cultish. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm reporting that the once cult pastor of the International Kingdom of Restoration Ministry in Albion, St. James, the post-mortem autopsy finds that he died from blunt trauma and contusions of the brain. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. If you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button, leave your comment, so we could have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in.
Hey, Deep Roots, man, how you guys doing out there? We're having a good time, man. We're running full line